How to enable BitLocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11. First, go to this PC. Select the drive you want to encrypt. Right-click on it. Click on Turn on BitLocker. Choose how you want to unlock this drive. Select the checkbox of Use a password to unlock this drive. Type a strong and unique password twice. Click Next. Select a recovery method to retrieve your data in case you lose your BitLocker recovery key. You can choose to save the key to your Microsoft account, or save it to a USB drive, or print it. I am selecting Save it to a file. Then choose Destination. Then click on Save. After saving complete, click Next. Select the checkbox of Encrypt entire drive. Then click Next. Now you will be prompted to choose an encryption method. If your drive is fixed on your computer, choose the default one. Or if you want to make your drive movable, then select Compatible mode. Then click Next. Now click Start Encrypting. The encryption process will begin. This may take some time depending on the size of your drive. To monitor the progress of the encryption process, go to the notification area. You will find BitLocker icon. Click on it. If you want to see more, then click on this Manage BitLocker. Then BitLocker Drive Encryption folder will pop up. From here, you can manage your BitLocker encryption, like change or remove password, turn off BitLocker encryption, and many more. After encryption complete, your drive will look like this. It will be locked after you restart your system. After I restart the system, the drive is now showing locked. To enter the drive, it will ask password. After giving the password, the drive will unlock. And that's how you can enable BitLocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.